Today we've had at least some reprieve from the Supreme Court, because the dogs are likely to be now returned to the spaces where they are taken out of, which is a huge relief for most of us. Can you imagine any of these just being taken away and gone forever to suffer somewhere that we would never know, never find out? It's the biggest sigh of relief all of us have inhaled. But there are still lots of problems there. There are still lots of unanswered questions, because when somebody says that all the dogs will be returned to their locations after being sterilized except for the aggressive ones, how do you define aggressive? That becomes a landmine which nobody answers now, but anybody and everybody who's against dogs or against dog feeding can use it to their advantage. It's so simple to point to a dog and say this is an aggressive dog, right? Because anyone, for instance, this one is a scared little thing who barely allows a touch, see? But if he doesn't, and if he moves, and if you try to kick him, or if you try to take his food away from him, he will get aggressive. Who wouldn't? Even a human being would. So we need aggressive to be defined. We need it to be extremely clearly stated. The other ambiguity in those rules is about feeding stations. What happens until these feeding stations are established? Is it because somebody just came up to us and asked us, are you allowed to feed? There is already a ban. I said, no, there isn't a ban. The ban will take effect once the feeding stations are set up. Until then, the older rules and the old order continues as is. So a lot of feeders don't understand whether they're going against the rule. They don't have any idea whether this is what is going to happen. 2 feeders were beaten up badly in the north. Genuinely, somebody just walked up and hit this lady with a stick. And there was another gentleman on a scooter with his food and talking on the phone, and someone comes up with a stick and whacks him from the back. Real good hard whack. Now, something like this is not okay at all. This is assault. How is it all right? How is it all right to beat up people for feeding? What world? How are we even humans when we do something like this? So we need to really give this a think. It's not about animal lovers versus animal haters, dogs versus humans. That's not the story. Why are we losing our humanity altogether? Why is there not a peaceful solution for all of us to coexist? Why is there, obviously people need to be safe, obviously children need to be safe, obviously elderly people going by need to be safe. But is there a way we can make sure that that safety exists with our dogs as well? Can we give little ones like this a chance? Look at them, right? Thank you so much. We'll continue with the next.